Hare Krishna. I am Nimai. I am reciting 15th chapter, sloka number 6. न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशंको न पावकः यत्कत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. Translation: That supreme abode of mine is not illumined by the sun or moon, nor by fire or electricity. Those who reach it never return to this material world. Next. ममैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतः सनातनः मनःषष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति. The living entities in this material world are my eternal fragmental parts. Due to conditioned life, they are struggling very hard to the existences which include the mind. Next. शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चापत्क्रामतीश्वर गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशया. The living entities in this material world carries different conceptions of life from one body to another as the air carries aromas. Thus he takes one kind of body and quits it to take another. Hare Krishna.